Hi guys, today we will talk about to turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your Alibaba app. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign here on my Alibaba app here on down, then it's going to take you here in this window. So all you have to do now, just go up here, you click here on this sign, then it's going to take you to next step here, then you just click here on legal policies here, then it's going to take you here in this window, you click here on cookie preferences, then it's going to take you in this window and you go down, you come here to personalization and service cookies here, you will click it in this sign or this color here, and like you say, you click here on keep active, so or you click here on turn off, sorry, you click here on turn off, and like you say now, personalization and service cookies, it's turned off now. I wish now you all get it. That's also just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.